we actually just had a waterproofing consultant out today to give us an estimate, and I wanted to get a second one. There was a fair amount of water in the basement after this last rainstorm, and the consultant from the other company thought it was coming up through the floor and the foundation. I guess around the perimeter due to pressure.
And of course, I probably, calling like everybody else, have water in my basement from this last rain, and I need for somebody to come look at it and give me an estimate on it.
Hi, how are you? I currently have a problem with my basement. There's some water basically coming out of, the floor.
Hi, I live up in, and I got a little bit of water coming in my basement, and I want to get someone to come in and check it out.
Yes, I need to have somebody come out and check our basement wall. There's a couple of spots where it's wet and it's coming down, and there's a little bit of water on our basement floor.
The house is essentially splitting in half. And, I don't know anything about foundations or, how far is too far to correct it or anything like that.
Hi, I've got a problem with some water in my basement, and I want to have someone come and take a look and give me an estimate about what might be to fix it.
I need to try to set up a appointment for someone to come out and give me an estimate as quick as you can.
And the house kind of sagged a little bit, so it needs to be raised a fraction of an inch. And then we have some cracks in the basement.
Calling from my mother. She has some leakage in her basement, water leaking from the past rains and stuff, and I was wondering if somebody can come out and take a look at it for an estimate.
Sometimes it comes down on the walls. Mostly it comes through the lolly columns, and it comes through the basement floor itself.
We have some cinder block movement within the wall. And you guys do the structural repair as well as waterproofing?
Yes, I was wondering if I could get somebody, I'm having some water problems in my basement, if I could get somebody to come over and maybe take a look and see if, give me an estimate of what I need to do.
Yes, I have a wet, moldy basement. Can you help me? It's an old house, and for some reason we're getting water in now, and it's growing mold.
I've got two walls that are bowing in, and I have one wall that's actually collapsed so far that there's probably a 4-foot hole where water, when it rains, just comes pouring in.
So it must have come through the cinder block wall, and it's a finished basement. And I could see like a little bit of moisture like behind the drywall that's there. I can see like one of the 2x4s at the very bottom of the wall that sits on the ground, and the 2x4 was damp last night.
Mm-hmm. And I guess they've had an issue with dampness in the basement, water in the basement.
Issue with dampness?
Yeah, and it's like 20 by 22 size basement.
20 by 22.
I was just wondering if I could, set up an appointment to have someone come out and let us know what we need to do to fix our water problem.
It's from rainwater. It seems it's a concrete block wall in the basement, and it seems to be seeping through the wall from the outside.
It kind of looks like the cement that's supporting the outside. I think they call them fittings. Are kind of in need of some replacement or touching up or whatever. I don't really know. That's why I want an expert to come and look. But it's basically the foundation. It's on a slab, but I think I may need somebody to shore it up.